Assalamu alaikum, dear students of Yusuf School System. I'm your maths teacher. So, students, let's start the class. This is week 1 and video lesson number 1. Continuing chapter multiplication and division. Topics are dividing with regrouping, finding doubles and halves. What are the learning objectives? Students, by the end of this video, you will be able to determine that division is dividing object into two equal groups. To regrouping means to rearranging, and dividing objects or items into two equal parts is called half, and double is the opposite of the half. Warm-up activity. There are two parts, activity number 1 and 2. One is without regrouping and 2 is with regrouping. This one activity we have learned in our previous class, and activity number 2 we will learn today. So from activity number 1, 369 is your dividend and 3 is your divisor. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. We get the number 3, 6 and 9. How simple is this? Division with regrouping is also very simple as without regrouping. In this example, 135 is your dividend and 3 is your divisor. 135. In 135, 5 is your unit value or ones value. 3 is your tens and 1 is your hundred. It means there are 5 ones, 3 tens and 100. As I have divided in this table. You just place 135 in a division box. Here in step 4, you can see the table is filled the tens value, and in 5 the table is filled with tens and ones also. So recall the table of 3. 3 fours are 12. It means 13 minus 12 equals to 1. 5 comes down and it becomes 15. So 3 fives are 15. So our quotient is 45 with the divisor 3. How I check my answer? When quotient multiply with the divisor, it gives the dividend. Now let's learn how to find doubles. There are two methods. In method number 1, you just add the number itself, like double of 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 2, and 10 with 10 again is the double of 10, which is 20. In method number 2 is also very easy. Just multiply the number with 2. Double means 2 times. So 1 multiplied by 2 equals to 2, and 10 multiplied by 2 equals to 20. In method number 3, students, it's a very interesting method indeed. 324 we are going to split into its place values. 320 and 4 are the place values of 324. When we double them, 300, we get the 600. Double of 20 is 40. Double of 4 is 8. Just add them and you get the double of 324, which is 648. Finding halves. As we learned from learning objectives of this video that half is the opposite of the double, so there are two methods. In a method number 1, we divide the number like this: 824 with 2. 2 fours are 8, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. So 412 is my half of 824. In method number 2, again we split the number into place value, like 824 going to be 820 and 4 expanded form of 824. So half of 800 is 4, half of 20 is 10, and half of 4 is 2. By adding them we get the half of 824. In this video we learned divide with regrouping, solving problems of doubles and halves. Here is a video link sharing from YouTube which gives you more idea about dividing with and without regrouping. Home task of 2 days. In a day 1 we are going to do page 96 to 100 from book 3, and in day 2 we are going to 102 and 105. Similarly, you can see 3A and copy work from this table. Thank you class. Stay safe, stay home.